How to disable Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. Frustrated by the Xbox Game Bar popping up randomly while you're trying to work on your Windows 11 PC? Can't figure out how to turn off this annoying feature? Stay tuned, because in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you step by step how to easily and permanently disable the game bar so you can get back to uninterrupted productivity. To begin, click the Start menu and select Settings to open your Windows settings. Next, scroll down the Settings menu and click on Gaming to open your gaming options. This will bring you to the Xbox Game Bar settings. Look for the option called Allow this app to open Game Bar and toggle the switch to the off position. That's all there is to it. By disabling access to Game Bar here in your gaming settings, you have now successfully turned off the annoying Xbox overlay that could randomly pop up while working on your Windows 11 PC. No more disruptions or distractions from Xbox Game Bar. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily disable Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post new tutorial videos every single day.